There's a room there, right? I'm good. Be careful, guys.
I can do it. I just need a spotter. Can you come with me?
Hey, Steph, you got it.
He's just experienced. He knows what he's doing. It's my first time.
Alright.
This hiking sucks though. I'm too fat for this.
Pixel Roll Media, follow him. Finally, our second day, we're at the Black Bear. This is something that one of my dreams to do it. I was here last year, but because of the weather, I couldn't get it done. But today, it looks like it's good to go. It's raining right now, but it's doable, definitely doable. So I'm very excited. I guess the safety is the first, and we have our crew, and right now we're just waiting for a couple more guys to get here. We actually drove all the way from the Water City to Black Bear Pass area, so it took us about 3 hours to drive in highway. Okay, George is here.
Oh, what happened?
See what happened with this ramp in Black Bear.
I'm just nervous that you're GoProing and doing Black Bear at the same time.
I'm driving at the edge and looking at this.
What do you think?
Epic. I mean, me personally, I like taking the pictures. I like looking at all this nice view, and I've been doing this by myself. And one of my dreams was I wanted to bring people on what I felt. I just wanted to share that together, and I feel like I'm finally doing this in this trip. So it's epic, and I appreciate it to everybody, and appreciate to all this nice nature over here. Yeah, I just want to continue keep on doing this. How you feel going down over there, Steph?
I'm excited to do it. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're not nervous?
No, not at all. I think I'm in good hands with Johan and Eric leading the charge over there.
Perfect.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun.
What about Christina?
The group. I'm excited to be back down with the group.
I think she's the nervous one.
Challenge.
She's definitely the nervous one for sure.
Alright, have fun, alright?
Thanks.
How you feel like, waiting?
How's this? It's a it's a beautiful view,
Yeah?
and I guess this obstacle's pretty significant if you mess up, right? So how'd you go down it? I heard you just flew right down it.
Yeah, I mean, I chose my spotter, Johan, so.
Oh, it was Johan's spot,
Yeah.
Okay.
All
Well,
right.
I'm gonna have to listen to Johan
Yeah.
make it through this, right?
Yep, that is correct. But do you have anything to say to your wife?
Oh, well, I was just talking to her.
Yeah.
Don't tell her how bad this is.
All right.
But yeah, just tell her I said hello.
All right. Sounds
All
good.
right. Thanks, Jay.
All right. Have fun. Hey guys, apparently that was only first step. That will be not the real one. That will be over there. So we're gonna do all this intense one again. Right there.
Do you want it? Very short?
I'm good. Be careful, guys. Told you I got it. Told you I got it. Oh my god! Here we go, guys. Woo! We did it! Guys, everybody's pretty much safe. They're down there. They're taking a rest over here. And yeah.
Once you're on it, it's not as bad as you think.
Yeah.
Alright.
Looking at it, it's really intimidating. But you go slow, you kind of section it off, it's not too bad.
Alright,
Let's go. Let's go.
That's okay. It wasn't too bad.
Well, you wanted to do it, right?
I would, you know, I checked that off. I'm done. I'm never gonna do it
They
again.
didn't have a heart attack, so we're good.
Yeah.
You did good. I did. The business right. I was a little nervous.
Good job, man.
You guys did a great job.
Yeah, no,
Be
you
patient.
were freaking fantastic.
You just wanted everybody to be safe, yeah?
No, that was
You're
the way.
working hard. We like you guys working hard like that. We appreciate it.
Almost pasado.
Yeah, I know.
Gabe
I
also.
saw.
Went up and down, up and down. Oh, really?
Yeah, man. Yeah, Gabe's feeling it now. Yeah, appreciate that. It's good to have experts out here.
I'm not too sure if I'll be able to record any more video on today, but if you don't hear from me, that means everybody went down safely. All right, thank you very much. But Black Bear was fun, but I don't think I'm gonna do it again. Bye.